Hey guys, in this lecture we will create PDF chatbot using DeepSeek with Ollama on Google Colab. First, let's install the required libraries. For chatbot, we need to install LangChain, Colab Xterm, PDF Reader, and VectorDB. Once the installation is done, now we will start the terminal using the command xterm. In the terminal, we're gonna install Ollama and the model DeepSeek. In order to install the Ollama, we need to run the following commands. The first command for installation is this, and second, after installation, we need to run Ollama serve, and the last command is Ollama pull to install the DeepSeek model. Once the DeepSeek model is downloaded, we can run the chatbot code. It will take some time to run the PDF, and once it is done, chatbot PDF is ready. And now I'm gonna ask the question. This PDF which I have used, it is YOLO PDF, so I will ask what is YOLO V11. So here is the output, and you can see that the model DeepSeek is running like a charm. So that's all about this lecture, chatbot using DeepSeek model. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.